Is Adidas really releasing these AriZona iced tea collabs for 99 cents each? Let's take a closer look at this upcoming collaboration. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at one of the more surprise collabs of July. It's the AriZona Iced Tea Adidas Originals collection. Before we get into that, just do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and we'll let you know all you need to know about this collaboration. If you guys have been following the AriZona Iced Tea Instagram handle, just teased out some images of some shoes, and today we received a very hefty and generous package from Adidas. This is the first time we're seeing all of these. It's the AriZona Iced Tea Adidas Originals collection. We'll just cover some basic release info, and this is all we know so far. Adidas Originals is going to host a pop-up shop on July 18th and 19th. And for now, that's the only release date info we know. We'll touch on how you can get these shoes and if they really cost 99 cents each. So yeah, let's get right into it. So if you grew up drinking AriZona iced tea, which most 80s and 90s babies have, this colorway might look very familiar to you. It's the standard iced tea colorway can. It has that same kind of grayish beige hue with the teal as well as the pink and the yellow. So again, this is like a nice throwback, nostalgic sort of concept that AriZona and Adidas kind of put together. To show you a closer look at the young one, the model itself doesn't need that much of an introduction, but as you can tell, they apply the colorway pretty properly on the shoe. The young one looks really good when there is like a mash of colors. Really helps the silhouette pop, but there's some key details to the shoe that really make it an AriZona shoe. First, the official AriZona logo that you can see on their cans. On the tongue, probably our favorite detail is the Great Buy 99 cents, which is seen on most of the cans, not all of them. And that's because AriZona as a company has been very adamant about keeping their prices low. But ironically, if you try to buy AriZona iced tea overseas, they're like €2 or €3, which is kind of funny. And the shoes also have special edition insoles that have the same sort of AriZona style print. And of course, you see the logo lockup of AriZona iced tea as well as Adidas Originals. And moving on to the Continental 80s, you have that same insole. The Continental 80 upper is this nice tumbled leather, and it has this embroidered sort of zigzag print. Again, speaks to the whole AriZona aesthetic. It has that same 99 cents logo on the tongue, which is our favorite detail. So yeah, this colorway right here reflects the standard iced tea colorway. And of course, there's that second one that we'll show you right now. So now we have the second flavor of the pack. This is arguably the more popular flavor. Again, don't at us, but this is of course the green tea flavor. If you've been to any bodega or any convenience store, those AriZona iced tea cans sort of stand out because they're tall and they have that big 99 cent sticker on them. But the design of the green tea flavor stands out the most because it has the cherry blossoms inspired by Japan. Much like the other pair we showed you, it has that same 99 cent tag and of course a custom insole. But what makes these really amazing is that all the cherry blossoms on the upper are embroidered onto the suede material. So the quality on these are insane. Of course, using that green tea base just makes the colorway pop real well. So these are really nice. If you're a fan of the AriZona green tea flavor, this colorway stands out to you immediately. It's instantly recognizable. They even got the gold sort of trim on the ribbon on the tongue correct. Even on the insole with the custom logo, you can see again that sparkly gold. And like we said, the quality on these are amazing. Like the embroidery is almost like custom level. And even on the Continental 80s, it's almost like you're buying like a high fashion shoe. Full green tea upper with that nice tumbled leather, and you have the cherry blossom embroidery all around the upper. Got the AriZona logo in that little window. Typically it says Adidas, of course. It has the same 99 cent tongue. Middle side again shows just the quality of the embroidery. This is honestly something that they could have just easily like printed it on or just painted it on or done it in a less premium way, but these are definitely one of the more impressive collaborations we've seen in terms of the execution and the quality of the shoes. For this special edition kit, Adidas also sent us these custom coin cans. So you have the Adidas logo with the trefoil, and on the other side you have the Adidas AriZona ribbon logo with the 3 stripes. And just for fun measure, they actually sent us actual cans of the green tea, and this is the sweet tea. Again, this is the wrong colorway for that other pair that we showed you, but still a nice little touch. And another favorite of ours is the t-shirt that came with it. It has the Adidas with the classic 99 cent logo. On the back, you have the cherry blossoms and have an iced day. This font is really popular right now. Of course, you saw, Girls Don't Cry use it a lot, and Now we're seeing a lot of t-shirts with this font, so it might be the next thing that gets a little bit overhyped, but still pretty nice. And we also received this giant black tote. This says "Have an iced day." And we believe this is also like a cooler, so you can take it to the beach and all that. And on the other side, we have the Adidas and AriZona logo. So that was just a very quick overview of the shoes in this collaboration. Again, here's the classic iced tea flavor, the green tea flavor. You know, if you're team green tea, let us know in the comments. For release, all we really know right now is that on July 18th and 19th in New York City, there will be a special pop-up shop open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. located at 208 Bowery. So that's downtown New York. And according to Adidas, if you go to this pop-up, you can buy a drink for 99 cents and you'll receive one of the shoes. So from what we're seeing, you can buy the shoes for 99 cents, which is pretty awesome. But supplies are very limited. And also, if you want to buy the other shoes, you can if you'd like. But again, the event from July 18th and 19th, from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. at 208 Bowery. You can buy a drink for 99 cents and they'll gift you a pair of the shoes. It seems very clear that yes, you can get one of the 4 shoes for 99 cents, which is pretty awesome. That's a dope concept. If you're in the New York City area, it's definitely something that you want to check out. Of course, we're going to have more information for you below. Just check the links. We'll have all the release details. It is possible that they will release these online, to a wider audience, but that's not confirmed just yet. Let us know in the comments, do you like the classic iced tea or the green tea? We're more biased toward the green tea, just, has like a nicer, cleaner flavor. Let us know what you think about this collaboration as a whole. This was very surprising, very unexpected. Again, check those links below if you want to find out more details on how to buy these shoes. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.